Okay, here we go. Hello，大家好，非常开心啊，Polkadot 的福利直播活动又跟大家见面了。我们这一期是联合AI Web3 和大家一起请来了 WUD 团队，然后在今天的直播间的话，会在9点钟，也就是马上不到10分钟的时间内，然后限时空投10亿个 WUD 代币。因为我们今天有这个外国的嘉宾啊，我会这个中文讲完以后，会迅速的用英文讲一下。Okay, today we are very excited to announce a limited time airdrop of 1 billion WUD tokens. The game officially starts at 9 and which is about, less than 10 minutes from now. Before that, we will talk about, we will walk you through the game rules together. And 首先的话，就先请大家介绍一下自己，我们的联合主办 AI Web3，以及我们这个物质嘉宾，以及我们 Web3 基金会的 Philip 等等。那首先由我们的来自我们的联合主办 AI Web3 的 GQ 和徐潘来介绍一下自己。Firstly, let's have our co-host from AI Web3 to introduce yourself a little bit. Welcome Xu Pan and GQ.
好的，谢谢，Hello，大家好，谢谢那个 Christine，我是口 host 的 Giki。那么今天非常荣幸能够在这里和大家一起参与 Polkadot 的生态的这个10亿物的代币空投活动。我简单介绍一下，因为时间不够了。那我们 AI3 呢是专注于波卡生态，致力于内容创作者创作高质量的波卡相关内容，同时呢。就是我们也是波卡生态中比较活跃和有爱的中文社区。那么不管你是刚接触波卡豆的新手，还是资深的爱好者，都可以参与我们的活动。然后我们除了内容创作，也有很多线上线下的激励活动，包括去我们的网站打赏你的支持的创作者，还有我们的 Twitter Space 活动，以及上线的 Zilli 和 MetHub 的任务都可以参与瓜分奖励。Okay, hello everyone. And welcome to this live stream tonight. I'm Jiki from AI3. It's a very honor to be here to join the 1 billion WUD airdrop event. I have played this for first version and my best score was 182. It's very interesting to and wish everyone enjoy the airdrop event today. So I'm gonna have a brief introduction about AL3. The AL3 community focuses on the Polkadot ecosystem and is committed to support content creators to publish high-quality Polkadot-related content. So here, whether you are just a new or experienced people in Polkadot blockchain, so you can talk freely. And we also have mailing online and offline incentive activities. So for example, you can go to our website to tip the content creators you like, and also you will receive rewards as well. So thanks everyone. Thanks, Kristen. Yeah.
Okay. How about Xu Pan?
大家好，我来自 iWeb3，我是 Byfaust Hydration 的粉丝，但是今天晚上我只是 WUD 的粉丝。一直都会是的，然后我现在只想玩游戏，其他都不想干，想获得空投。谢谢大家帮我翻译一下。
我觉得我们是中文社区，还是就是他们讲的我翻译成中文好了，我们讲的就不必要翻译成那个了，好吧？好 ，OK，thank you. Now let's welcome Philip to have a brief introduction of yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Filippo. I'm a technical educator from the Web3 Foundation. I'm here today just to take technical questions regarding memes, due diligence, specifically also about WUD. If someone has some, technical questions, I'm here to answer them. And I'm very happy and honored to be here for this amazing community, this WUD community. Thank you.
Okay, sure. So last but not least, let's welcome Alice and Alex Andrew from WUD team to introduce yourself a little bit. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Yes, I'm Alexis. I represent the community of Gavin Wood. And, since the community took it over like a few months back, we've been really having a lot of fun growing the community together. Through games like Flappy Wood and the Flappinings, and really honored to be here. And really excited to show you the new update to the game and maybe introduce the game to new players.
Okay.
So I'm Alexandru. I'm the dev behind the game, and I'm happy to be here and to finally launch this game with a huge airdrop for our community. So yeah, I will be mostly silent because I want to prepare everything behind the scenes and to make sure that everything works as expected. So yeah, everybody have fun.
Okay. Thank you all for the introductions, and we only have 2 minutes left before our gaming, and I think let's welcome Alice to introduce us about the rules and everything we have to set up before the games and waiting for the game get started.
Okay, looks like we do have about a couple minutes, but let's see, are we sharing the screen now or?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yes, so we do have a stats page here, so we can track the stats of the airdrop live. It'll be a lot of fun. You can see the top players, the scores, the top cumulative points. So get competitive. We now have the NFTs compatible with this version of the game, and it took a long time. So it's, this whole process started with the LP burn event back in October. So it's finally coming full circle, and we can now see people really utilize these NFTs, and it'll be a lot of fun. We'll see a lot of pop-up notifications in the game too. So yeah, let's see how this game holds up. Alexandru, you did an amazing job with it. So let's push it to the limits. Let's try and eat like this 1 billion WUD up completely. Let's get the word out there. Let's get as many players in here as possible, and we'll show you how to do that and how to connect and play. Yep.
Oh, can you share the link to our chat?
Let's see.
Or to the comment. To the comment, you can see there's a comment.
Let's see. Oh, do you have the link?
Okay.
Sure.
You can just you can send the link to our chat, and I will share it on the comment section so audience can see it.
Let's see.
There's on the right hand there there's a bar. On the right hand there's a comment.
Yes,
there's a banner.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
90 players. 90 players.
Okay, cool.
我非常想玩。
现在开始了吗？Have we started? Not yet.
Yes, we started.
Yes,
Let's
we
go.
have just
Let's
started.
go.
Yep, let's go.
103 players.
Hey, how's it going? I see Ub in here. Yep.
So we play together, right?
Yep. Okay, wow. So we've already hit like a new all-time high. Congrats, everybody. This is awesome.
Get flapping.
Okay. 哇，好的I will interpret a little bit about what Alex introduced just now. 刚才那个我们的这个 Alex 就是 WUD 团队的这个主要成员为大家介绍了一下这个 WUD 的一些规则。其实的话，大家只要链接点进去，就一目了然，非常清晰了。然后这个链接的话会发在我们的 comment 区。然后目前的话已经刚刚开始啊，9点钟刚刚开始，现在已经有100多个人在线了。然后我们现在的话是这个。我们只有30分钟的时间，在这30分钟时间之内，然后大家玩游戏获得的积分才会获得空投啊。所以大家，即使你现在刚刚看到这个游戏，也可以马上加入。
I think the server is.
Okay.
Yep.
But Alice, I didn't see the links. Oh, I saw it. Sorry. No, I didn't see. Okay. It doesn't matter.
I think the link was interrupt. It's too crowd, I think.
Yeah, I think I don't know, something crashed. I don't know, Alexandru?
Something crashed?
Let's see.
Now it's back, but I think we hit I don't know, maybe it was too many.
This is good. We're pushing the limits.
Too much traffic. I don't know.
We're testing
Okay,
this out.
就是大家如果现在正在这个玩的话，可能是不是遇到了一些问题呢？我们这个 刚才的话，这个可能系统稍微这个调整一下。那如果遇到问题的话，大家只要重新点进链接，重新继续玩就可以了。OK。
Is it for you guys working?
徐潘你在玩吗？
let's
怎么
see
样？
here.
我现在退了，我刚才看了一下，
Yes, I'm working.
Get flapping.
OK。
Okay, so we are at, as you can see in the top right corner, we have the surge mode active. Okay, looks like it may have froze for me again here. Hang on. Is it working for everyone else?
Yeah.
No, it froze also for me. I think he's
Okay.
hitting too many
It's my
players.
internet.
So you get scores for 4. So okay. So
okay, let's see here.
see here. So
Oh, Alexander got disconnected, but he'll be right back.
So
Let's.
I think some audience.
Yeah,
I think some audience are not very clear about how to get the
flapping.
So so now everybody is playing the game. So how many scores they have to get the airdrop?
Okay, so basically, all you have to do, yeah. I do have this post open up here actually. So all you have to do is just keep on playing. The more points you get, the more wood you get, and it's all in real time as well. Let's see here. So the base amount of points you need to get, as long as you get past 10 points, then you start earning 250 wood per point.
OK。大家就是说，只要一直在线，一直玩就可以了，保证你的分数只要超过10分，你就可以获得空投。So when can they get the airdrop? 就他们什么时候？
It's going to be dropped in real time.
Okay, so they can just check on their wallet.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you do pass 100 points, you start getting 1,000 points per point, or 1,000 wood per point.
OK。
So the
那
better
就
you
是说
are,
大家，就说大家的分数是越高越好了，肯定。就如果你现在突破了100分的话，它的分数会 bonus up 到1000分，大概是这样子啊。然后这个就是会加成，所以大家只要持续在线就好了。那到底这个获得10分到底有多难？我觉得这个我们可以让我们的这个徐潘为大家这个来玩一局。
边讲，
对，来玩一局。Okay, so I will ask Xupan to play for our audience to let them know that how hard it is to get the scores, like 10 score, how hard it is to reach the 100 scores.
把我屏幕弄一下，是我自己弄吗？
OK， sorry. OK， 我看到了，是这个是你屏幕是吧？
我看一下我。
对，是的。Okay, I saw some audience is asking for the link. Okay, I will send it to them. 我看到我们的，
我现在可以玩吗？
好，可以了。
对，就是开始游戏之后，就让他跳嘛，穿越这个障碍物。你的分数和你持有的物的代币的数量有关系，还分等级的。然后这个有看到之后会有一个快速的一个提高，然后在线人数越多，你的分数加倍和数越多。
Jam baby。
在线人数超过100人的时候，100多人，那你的分数就会不是分数啊，就是你的那个分数会加倍，100人就加倍就是16倍。就主要是要适应这个节奏，就是会好一点。然后刚才差点就是要。我这好像卡住了，这个就触发另一个特效，因为我的物的比较多，4倍的一个加成，但是我这个卡住了。
It seems the server cannot handle the load.
我可能需要重新来一局。你看，我重新开始。
Yeah,
你刚才得了几分？
We are hitting 130 players.
刚才没注意，应该是40分左右吧。刚才有点问题，就是卡住了。正常进来是这样的，然后你开始玩就行了。
OK， 好的，大家可以看到，就是刚才徐攀随便点一点就得了40分，所以他的10分的门槛是很容易获得的啊。然后，所以大家只要持续的玩就好了，并且我们的游戏是持续30分钟，我们现在已经7分钟过去了，我们还有23分钟，所以如果大家看到链接的话，需要马上去玩，并且分享给朋友来参加一起玩游戏。
你看，我现在进入一个无敌模式了。就是，然后上面的话就上面那个
You're too good.
可以控制
Keep
的数
flapping.
量，大概还有9亿，还有9亿的代币。
It's jamming time.
反正每一个都是特效，各种一个人特效。
现在的话是有9亿的代币的话，是如果有没有可能这9亿代币分不完呢？
有可能，就是看这个它的分数嘛。
OK。
分数加上你的那个加成，如果你分数比如说一个分数可以获得10个代币或100个代币，那你人数多的话就16倍，再乘以16倍，大概是这样的。对。
哦，那有可能这10亿是分不完的是吗？就是说如果没有足够的人，
有可能是分不完的，根据人数还有这些人的质量。如果他这些人游戏水平都很高，然后他比如说自己持有物的也很多，
Get flapping.
那他可能就会分掉，这都是不一定的。那瓜分这是一个总的一个奖池，相当于。
OK。
Big wood.
OK。
还和你的运气有关，运气好的话能比较早的触发那个世界的一个奖励。你看现在其实就是在直播，所以可能有点卡，也就是被卡住。平常玩其实挺顺畅的。
So the dev is working on it right now. Looks like the server is overloaded, but we'll get that sorted out. Then we'll have we'll extend the time. We'll make sure, we can get this thing going. But if you would like, I can show you some of the stats on the page. It's kind of interesting over here too.
I mean, it's probably good news that the server cannot handle. I mean, it's a good problem to fix, no?
OK， 好的。就是刚才的话，我们的 OK，I will interpreting what you are talking about。就是那个刚才的话，我们的服务器可能是有点卡，这是一个很好的现象，就说明玩的人特别多。然后也希望大家赶紧参与啊！我们现在只剩20分钟的时间了。我们现在目前已经有我们一共有10亿的代币，然后现在已经有1亿的已经被这个 share 掉了。然后就是其实很可惜啊，如果领不到的话，只要你超过一定的分数就可以了。那刚才徐班随便玩了2局，已经就是可能就是20分、40分是很容易的，所以大家再坚持一下就可以玩到100分。
看我屏幕右下角，现在人数持续是100以上，所以说每一个人现在玩游戏的空投代币的数量都是平常正常情况下之前没有加成的时候的16倍。
对。OK， 现在的话
，Sorry, how to get the NFT? How to get the NFT?
Let's see here. Oh, so the NFTs, they can be found on Coda Art. Let's see. I can also share you the link.
So Polkadot is a marketplace in the Polkadot ecosystem. You can
where
find.
Where did you share the link? You can share it on the comment. There's a on the right hand of your window, our stream window. There's a comment.
For some reason, it's not letting me log in. It says I can't connect for some reason.
Okay, you can send it to.
I'll send it to you. Yeah, in the.
You can send it to Telegram. I will.
Send it to the private chat.
OK， 可以。
Already sent.
我们现在正在讨论的是一个 NFT 啊，然后就是说你玩游戏的话是可能获得这个 NFT 的，然后你获得 NFT 以后的话 ，NFT 应该是有一些福利吧，是不是 GK？
对 NFT 有加成的，
对，就 NFT 的话也会有加成，你的游戏分数啊是会有加成，
分数加成之后就有分数加成。
对，查看这个 NFT 的链接我已经发到这个我们的 comment 区了，大家可以查看。现在的话，时间过得非常快啊，然后已经11分钟过去，12分钟过去了。那现在我们可以邀请这个 Alice 来为大家分享一下对目前的一些数据。Already 10 minutes have passed, and I would like to invite Alice to share some data to our audience.
Okay, awesome. Let's see. So if you take a look at the screen, can you see it right now? Live airdrop stats. I have it open on the screen here.
If you open your screen, you have to share your screen. You can check on the downside of our screen, there's a president. They are present. You click and there's a share screen. Yeah, you choose the right tab.
It should already be there, right?
Already there, but I didn't see.
Okay, let me stop it and start it again. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay. How about now? Perfect.
So you are with Alice's. So I can, okay, it is you that are sharing the screen. I thought it is Alice's. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. I know it's confusing. There's so many Alexes involved with WUD. Okay, so yeah, we do have a live stats page here, and it's going to be a lot of fun to track. We can see the top players and, you know, how many unique players, active players. I know there's so many people going at it right now. Alexandru is trying to work on a fix, and we'll get that running. But yeah, if you want to explain, I guess basically, if you wanted to translate that.
就是大家可以看到这个，他现在这个正在分享的是一些数据啊，就现在目前在线的一些，就是在线的一些玩家的数据。然后这个数据的话，这个大家也可以通过我刚才给大家发链接去看到。这个刚才他分享了几个的数据啊，大家可以一眼直观的去看到。然后我就不给大家分享这个翻译的这么细致了，大家其实可以自己动一动手就可以了解得很清楚了。Okay.
Yep, and we can also see like the recent airdrops. So it's working. It just, you know, there are some server lags at the moment, unfortunately. But thank you everyone for helping us test this out and for breaking everything. You know, we got to push the boundaries, and you know, that's what we're defying what's, you know, possible.
We never had. I mean, I remember participating to other flapping event in the past. Yeah. This is the first time that I've seen so many players. It's crazy.
This is amazing.
OK， 然后刚才 Alice 分享了一些就是之前的玩的一些数据，然后并且表达了对大家的一些感谢。然后 Philip 也说了，就是这是他看到了一个项目，就是这个同时有这么多的玩家参与，也是非常开心的一件事情。OK。
Yep, and let's see here. So we have also top players by airdrop. So if we look at the game, I'll also go through a little bit of the new main menu as well.
就是他现在介绍一下就这个页面，然后有一些主要的main menu 就主要的一些菜单。然后现在的话，他开始进入游戏页面，给大家再介绍一下其他的一些数据。
Yes, so there's a whole new user interface for the game, and yes, we have a place where you can check your stats. And as you can see, this one that I'm using has no stats yet, but that will change. You can also change your nickname in the game, so your name can appear on the leaderboard, however you want it to appear.
OK， 他刚才介绍了，就是我们最直观的一个页面啊，就是你打开进去以后，就可以看到一些这个进入游戏啊，或者是这个一些其他的键。然后他这个给大家介绍的是可以修改自己昵称的一个地方。然后也就是在刚才他点进去那个区域啊，就是在那个游戏开始的下边那个按钮，你点进去就可以修改自己的昵称，做一些个性化的设置。OK。
And let's see.
Okay, it seems like a fix was implemented.
Yep.
So
okay. Perfect.
We should have a better experience, but still, I think the server is kind of like.
OK， 就是如果刚才这个大家玩游戏卡住的话，现在我们刚才那个 Alexander 还在呢，大家现在也看不到他了，因为他去这个维护服务器了。所以大家刚才游戏比较卡的话，可以刷新一下界面，然后重新进入就好了。Okay, it's very easy to get scores over 10.
Get flapping.
Yeah.
We want to make sure everyone can, you know, get into
Big
the
wood.
game. So let's test it out. So right now I just got a Coos boost, and that already gives me about
Big wood.
10 points immediately. So always go for the power-ups. Those are not enemies or anything. They are power-ups. You want to try and collect them all.
OK，他应该是介绍了刚才的一个反正得到10分还挺容易的，大家只要一直按这个向上的键，然后还有这个获得能量的那个能量包，你顶一下就很容易获得10分以上。
There you go.
哇，就上面这个有这个能量包啊，然后只要稍微一点，
It's jamming time.
加速。然后它的背景音是什么 jam time， 然后就是 jam 大家知道，就是这个明年就会上线，然后开发者门槛会降低非常多，都会融入到这个游戏里。
Oops.
OK，
Okay, I got 60 there. So as you can
Uh,
see, I'm moving up in the leaderboard. So the new user interface, before we just had a leaderboard, but now you can actually see where your position is all the time. So you don't have to go scrolling through it, and it shows you how many points you have accumulated over time as well.
OK，
Get flapping.
它这个用户体验是非常好的，在刚才他看到的那个界面里边，就如果你玩完游戏以后，你的分数马上会出现在这个屏幕上，你不用去一直翻才能看到自己的名次，然后你就可以看到自己排名多少，然后目前其他人的排名情况是如何的。大家可以看到刚才他玩的那小伙就得了60分，然后就是得到1000分的话就会有，得到100分就会有加成。OK， there's I think there's some comment from the audience, but there's one audience named Shen Xi. They said it's really awesome to see so many. It's really awesome to see that more and more projects are developing on Polkadot. Okay.
It really is. Yes, we're having a lot of fun. The community is really getting involved with the developments and helping us test things out and just being creative. With memes, we have the ability to really push the limits, and we gotta let people know what Polkadot is all about. So that's the whole spirit of Gavin Wood.
OK， 就是我们一直在想去突破这个边界啊，然后就是看一下我们这个能做多少的事情，然后实现这 Gavin Wood 的愿景。There's some comment from the audience. They're still not sure that how to claim the airdrop. Some of them.
Yep, that's a good question. So
That's wood.
Once you enter the game, you're going to have to connect your wallet. So here, let's go back. Once you have connected to, your wallet, here, I'll disconnect right here. I'm on PC right now. So Subwallet, Talisman, or Polkadot.js. You can select which one you're using. If you're on mobile, you're going to want to open up the game in Subwallet or Nova Wallet. So you have to open it up inside of the app and connect that way.
OK, so就是刚才他为大家这个 Alex WUD 团队的 Alex 给大家简单演示了一下如何去领取这个WUD 的代币。WUD 的空投非常简单，就大家在登录这个页面的时候就会看到钱包的选择，然后你只要选择你正在使用的钱包，点进去就可以看到你要获得的空投。你获得的空投。所以他们so they can see their WUD tokens immediately, right?
Yep. So once you're connected, all you have to do is play, and then they will be airdropped to you, but I'm not sure if it's working at the moment. Let me just...
Okay.
I think there could be some...
Yeah, I think there is probably something that still like under fix.
OK， 就是现在理论上来说，你只要玩游戏并且获得了超过10分以上，你的空投就会在你钱包里边是可以看到的。但是如果你现在还没有看到的话，就不要着急。然后这个系统这个修复好以后，你马上会看到。就理论上是你只要点开钱包，你现在只要玩的这个超过了10分以上，你的这个已经是就是已经是这个可以获得了，就是已经可以看到你的空投代币了。OK，so how many？
好像实时都可以看到的，现在估计是有点延迟。
OK， 是的，OK， so 徐潘，就是关于这个玩游戏，你还有没有其他要补充的点？其实 大家很想看到玩到100分到底有多难。
其实100分不是很难，你只要捡很多那个罐头，它的分数是乘4、乘5的，乘5倍的就会很快。
OK，要不要
活动什么时候结束啊？
徐帆，你的声音你没有声音，我们听不到你。
哦，对，他关了麦。
我说你要适应这个游戏的这种节奏感，就是没事练习一下。如果实在不行，你还可以氪金，就是你在海军上面买些WUD，如果你WUD超过一定数量，你玩游戏是加倍的。
It seems just tell the audience that it seems there is an issue with the dynamics of the drop. So it seems like it's not is working as expected. So just to like reassure everybody that there is this issue. In the meantime, maybe you can tell this.
OK， 就是说大家如果没有看到这个空投的话，也不要着急。刚才 Philip 这个就是为大家做了一下解释啊，他非常害怕大家担心这个问题。就是平常的话，我们的这个 token 的话，你点开以后是实时更新的，但是现在还没有做到。然后这个问题会很快的这个解决。然后这个对，大概是这样子。就 Philip 比较这个担心大家会对这一点不太理解，所以就是给大家解释一下。OK。
那我继续说吧。
好的。Now Xupan is telling audience other rules about this game, such as buy some tokens or something. That I will let him continue.
首先你就是要适应那个节奏，你没事多练习几次，就会好很多，要不然刚开始一直撞。其次的话，你如果技巧不是特别好，你可以氪金，就在海龟上买一些WUD代币，那你的很快就会容易触发那个4倍的激励，那你就容易获得，就是你得1分，对吧？就别人得1分，你就得4分，然后你再触发那些道具，有就是跳到高处，然后有无敌模式，然后有快速冲各种道具，那你的分数也能快速积累，而且大概超过100分的时候，你可能会触发一个无敌模式的道具，那你就还可以就是很简单的度过很长时间，你获得更多分数。然后现在的话就是你就是同时在线的人数越多，分数加倍越多，100人以上是16倍，现在一直处于16倍的一个状态。另外还有你持有一些之前的 NFT， 你就会获得更多加成，大概是这样。
OK。
我补充一句，我补充一句，现在大家不是看不到自己钱包的代币吗？但是那个Subscan 里面是可以看到的，也就是说它代币已经空投了，只是因为程序卡可能没有显示出来啊，已经空投了，我们都看到了。
对，如果大家比较担心的话，可以把自己的钱包链接放在 Subscan 里边去查一下，是吧？OK， 我们只剩最后5分钟的时间了，所以如果大家看到这个游戏的话，赶紧参与一下。然后徐帆其实
能不能给大家谋个福利，再延迟几分钟？因为前面可能涌进来人太多了，有可能。这是个新版本。问一下。
Alice and Xupan is recommending that we postpone this game because it's a new version and.
Yep. That's probably what's going to have to happen. Let's see. Let me try and get some updates from the dev here, if it's doable or if we should just.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's possible to do. I mean, obviously, if we want to this pot, if it is possible, just run until it's all gone. But if not, if we have to postpone, we'll make it. We'll make it up to you all for sure.
Okay. Okay. So Xupan can maybe I think we only get 4 minutes. Maybe Xupan can play the game for the audience to show that how hard it is to get 100 scores. But so far I didn't see 100 scores in among us. 就Xupan要不要来
I can try too. Hang on, let me see if I can.
让 Alex 来，他可能技巧更好。
OK。
因为我还想问2个问题呢。
行啊，就是关于游戏的问题是吗？
就关于咱们这个项目还有。
Get flapping。
可以的。等他玩完，然后他这个游戏结束，其实我们后边还可以再。
It's jamming time。
对。
So I guess I can play in
我可以
Japan.
中文讲解，其实这种
OK， 好，
这就是一个道具，看他没有
That's wood
知道啊，不晓得他的意思，可能太紧张了啊。
OK，
要不碰到下面，你看这就是一个，你看封起来了，迅速增加了10几分。
OK，
不是解说啊，看跳过去了。
徐潘 is interpreting
2倍
the
加成，
game。
分了。他这个游戏到后面速度会越来越快，
Massive
你看
push boost.
直接触发了一个多倍的一个2倍的一个激励，就是他现在他风直接每次都是2倍至少。
Jam, baby.
你看一个跳，看一个足球的话进入这种像残影一样的无敌模式，就随便跳就好了，碰到也没事。
他这个无敌模式，
对，你看会闪一下，分数已经达到70分，刚才差点死掉，又触发无敌模式。现在还大概有10亿的9亿多的一个代币。
That's wood.
这个
But yes, we also so close. We also do have we're starting up the Chinese WUD Telegram. Did you mention that yet?
Get flapping.
就是Philip 刚才跟大家讲了一下，就是在 Telegram 会有技术人员的，如果大家感兴趣，可以进入我们的 Telegram。OK，
对，我们也会新建一个那个 PG 的一个中文群，之前建了一个微信被禁掉了。我继续讲讲啊。
Jam, baby.
再吃掉一个罐头，现在14分，看15分，看一个关卡是1分，6、17，
Jam, baby.
2倍，直接23了。现在还有9亿多，9看进入无敌模式，无敌模式就随便走就好。分数达到了26分、27分、28分。
That's wood.
29。
嗯，
你看这个音乐也很棒，赛博朋克的感觉，和我们 Alex 的风格有点像。因为我一直玩第一版游戏嘛，第二版游戏确实更带感。
所以其实100分还是需要练习几次的。
你氪金的话或运气好的话就比较容易。
氪金要氪多少？
氪金的话大概是反正5亿以上，可能就是最顶级的，就是
Jam, baby.
触发4倍的一个加成。
哦，
对，也看运气，有的时候可能你过一关就直接就，你看67分，有时候过一关有可能直接就触发4倍的。
哦 ，OK，
但是你现在分数含金量很高的，
Very wood.
你一分相当于
Jam, baby.
获得代币的数量的16倍。
OK，
对，你看右上角是实时在线人数，现在是100多人嘛。
Two wood.
对，所以一直处于最高的一个加成。
哦，最高的加成就是如果他现在只设置了100这个门槛，是不是？就如果超过1000的话，
对，现在100是最高的，然后
That's wood.
应该是25、50这样的，
哦，
好几个门槛。而现在大家玩的话都是最高的，100
Push
分，
boost.
现在分数达到104分。你看，刚差点死了。看这时候就进入无敌模式，从天而降一个雷劈
Invited
下
by
来，
cold ones.
就像那个大力水手克了菠菜一
You're
样。
too wood. Keep
这
flapping.
时候他是无敌的，他随便碰。
你这个讲解太好了。
主要是这个节奏，刚开始我一般2、3下就死了。
There you go.
我们 OG 喜欢玩这个游戏，就是玩的也特别好。
There you go.
It seems the issue was found. It seems like the multiplier wasn't
Jamming
working
time.
for the search mode, and the deployment is on the way.
OK，
Big wood.
就是Philip 跟大家讲，就是这个问题已经找到了，然后基本上已经布置好了，然后很快就会修好。
你看 ，Alex 明显具有很高超的技巧，达到178分。
哦 ，176。 76.
Yes.
You know, actually,
50亿的话就是一个3倍，应该就是超过3倍吧？这个
50亿是3倍是什么意思啊？
就是你的分数，就是每过一关是别人的分数的好多倍。
哦，要过关，它里边有分为很
就是你所
多关是吧？
有的积分，你所有的代币空投
它是
基于你的分数，你的
它
分数基
跳一个木头
于你
1分。
是否碰到道具，是否有代币，是否有 NFT。
哦
对，
，OK，
而且后面游戏的速度越快，就是难度越大。大概是这样。
OK，所以 GK 你是刚才在讲话吗？
哦，我是说它原本跳一个木头桩是1分，然后如果你3倍的话，你跳一个就3分，如果你5倍，
对
人家跳一个就是1分，你就是5分，这样子算。
OK，
对
cool. Okay. Oh, Alice is, I think, she did a really good job on interpreting your game. His language is very vivid and interesting.
Awesome. Yes,
I
I
so,
didn't doubt him for a second.
okay, so are we still on the game or is it finished?
So, yes, if we have to finish the live stream up, I guess we can do some closing statements and stuff. But it looks like we are going to be fixing this like right now, and we can continue to play until the pot is depleted.
Okay,
So
maybe
we'll
we
keep
can
the pot.
continue
Yeah.
our
Okay.
stream. I
Perfect.
think before the problem get fixed, I think we can. I have some questions for you guys. Okay. 就是我们的游戏的话，可能会为大家延长一点时间啊，因为毕竟这个游戏是个新游戏，然后中间又稍微卡了一些，所以还是为大家争取一些福利。等他们修好以后呢，我们就会继续给大家延长一些玩的时间。然后这个在这个期间的话，我们有几个问题可以问一下他们团队的成员，就是说这个游戏就是这个游戏结束以后，空投还能不能继续获得，然后怎么样才能获得最多，然后这样的活动大概多久开展一次等等，我会把这些问题问给他们。Okay, we got some there's some questions for the WUD team. That is after this game, how can the normal users get airdrop? And is there some future airdrops like this every week? And what's the arrangement for the following plans?
So we do plan on the flappetings. Once everything is like sorted out, we're gonna set this up every Sunday. Sundays seem to be the most popular for us in terms of flapping stats. So looks like every Sunday, just stay up to date by following us on the socials, and we'll determine the time that works for the most people. Before it may have been a little bit too late for Beijing time, so let's see, but it's going to be Sundays.
Okay. So we can expect every Sunday, games like this gonna happen.
And
okay.
yes, also like the amount, everything will change as WUD grows. The point of these events is to, I think every holder knows this, we want to just spread the word. We want to distribute the WUD out to a lot of holders, get the word out, incentivize people to buy more, continue to hold more, and develop this this movement. And so as WUD grows, the numbers may be adjusted to how much how many players are required to get to the next surge level, for instance. Like eventually it may be like 100 to get even a 2x, but the point is to grow, and I think everyone can appreciate that.
OK， 那就是说，基本上他会挑选这个游戏的话，基本上还会很频繁的进行啊，基本上会在每周周日进行。选这个时间的话，也是为了照顾这个就是可能这个时间更适合这个WUD团队吧，也比较适合大家休息娱乐这个需求。然后还有的话就是这个只是暂定的计划吧，如果后边可能这个游戏也在更新，然后WUD团队也在发展，会逐渐的去优化很多的事情，然后他们的核心目的就是让这个WUD这个项目可以很好的成长，这是他们核心要完成的事情然后 大概是这样子。所以总结下来，基本上就是近期啊没有什么大的变化，其实大家每周末都会有机会来玩一下的。Okay. Philip, would you like to, how do you think that the WUD team gonna contribute to the Polkadot ecosystem?
Yeah, I think like they already did a huge contribution, especially like we have seen like memes becoming more and more like trending, especially because of the cult of meme that are kind of cult. They are like very strong, especially around the community. And I think like what WUD has been doing so far, I can clearly see that is kind of a cult meme. I mean, the community, for what I'm able to notice, is growing, and there are positive vibes. I think Polkadot also needs a kind of like a community like this. I mean, memes, I think they're here to stay, and the history of our space is also like there to confirm that memes didn't die out. On the contrary, I think like they are driving a little bit traffic into different ecosystems, because people want to be part of the community, and if you have even a little bit of ownership over the tokens, you feel part of it. There are the games, there are the NFTs, and it's a lot has been done by the WUD by the WUD team, and I think it's I feel honored that they choose Polkadot to deploy this game, that they chose Polkadot to build this, because of course our ecosystem is not really meme focused, it's more like tech focused, but I think we need something like this, and this is the proof. I mean, like having 150 players after the first launch of this game, it's the proof that there is like some strong community in interest in the memes. I feel like it's good in general. Like, and if there are technical questions from the audience about due diligence, or like liquidity, or where to find these tokens in the Polkadot ecosystem, cross-chain swaps, because of course, like if you have DOT on Polkadot relay chain, you need to send the DOT to Hydration, which is this roll-up that is focused on being a DEX. It's a decentralized exchange, and when you have sent the DOT there, or other tokens, you can swap for all the other tokens that are there, including WUD, of course. So it's we have wallets that are completely how to say, like they are integrating this, like Nova Wallet and Sub Wallet are the most used mobile wallet in the ecosystem, and they're fully integrated with swaps. You can just swap from the wallet, or you can use, for example, the browser feature in the wallet, and you can log in directly into the Hydration DEX from the app. Or you can also log in, for example, into Polkadot if you want to buy an NFT, or you want to, you can do anything, practically anything from this mobile wallet nowadays, which is kind of amazing, because when I joined the ecosystem, there was not such a great user experience. So definitely good to see this progress.
Cool. 然后 Philip 是来自 Web3 基金会啊，也就是说最早这个funding 整个 Polkadot 的一个基金会。然后这个大家如果了解 Polkadot 应该都了解 Web3 基金会啊，它其实对于这个WUD 的话，希望他扮演的角色就是，特别是今天在我们直播间啊所扮演的角色，就是为大家解读一些技术性的问题，比如说这个去哪里购买这个去哪里交易这个WUD token 呀等等，用哪些钱包呀等等，这些问题它是可以帮大家回答的。那就是关于WUD如何交易，其实现在的话已经可以交易了。大家可以去 HydraDX 上面进行交易，也非常简单，连接钱包就好了。如果大家觉得去 HydraDX 交易比较麻烦的话，其实钱包里面也可以直接交易，因为像现在 Sub Wallet 啊、Talisman 等这些钱包里面其实都有直接的 swap 的功能。 然后就可以了。至于这些跨链呀等等，还会有一些细节的问题，然后Philip 也非常愿意去去为大家解答，并且的话还可以在 browser 里边browser 浏览器里边进行一些交易。但这一点的话，因为我自己这点的话大家可以，其实我觉得前2个大家就够了前2个就够了，就是还是建议大家去钱包里边，然后或者是 HydroDX 里边进行交易。Okay, thank you, Philip. So Alice, can we continue the game or?
Actually, yes. So everything looks like it should be 100% now. So we can just play until there's no more wood left now. So starting now, let's just play and get as many people in here as possible and get as much wood as possible. And buy more wood so you get more wood. So let's do this. I'm going to post the announcement.
OK， 所以其实现在我们现在游戏已经完全正常了，然后大家可以继续玩了。然后这个我们会延长游戏的时间啊，所以大家如果是刚进来或者之类的，可以这个等一下，如果大家是刚进来呀等等的，可以继续玩游戏啊。A moment, I have to set it up。哎，我咋看不到他那个？是这样子吗？Yeah, here is it. OK， 大家可以再继续玩游戏，然后直到这个物的瓜分完毕。哎，如果这个物的瓜分完毕，是不是还要挺长时间的？ How long it takes to share all these tokens?
So it depends on how many people we get. So right now, every 25 players we get, the amount that is paid out doubles. So 25 players, that is a 2x for the amount of wood being sent out. 50 players, 50 players, that's a 4, and so on. So right now, I think we are at 100. Here, let me see how many we're at right now. Are you seeing my screen right now?
Your screen? Yes.
Yes? Okay. So,
this is your screen? Yeah.
Yep, this is my screen here. So it looks like we have 90 players. It's going to build back up once the word spreads out. It's back live. So if we get to like 100 players, it's like, that is, what is that, 8x or 16x? I think that's a 16x. So just the more players that come in, the more everyone gets. So yeah, it really depends on how many people are playing, and you can see in the game how many people there are. At the top right of the screen, it says like surge mode, and there's a little meter that goes up and down, really pumping the adrenaline. But here, let's hop into the game and let's take a look and see how fast this pot is going to be depleted now.
OK.
Let's see.
现在游戏是那个获得空投是时间延长了吗？
对，因为刚才不是有点那个问题，但他意思是说，等这个空投这个游戏延迟，然后直到等这个空投分发完，所以我就问他有多长时间。就我觉得要不就玩
大福利了，那其实是一个很大福利的，那就是动态的嘛，跟玩的情况嘛，这是一个很大福利，而且对华语的用户比较有利，因为这个时间比较好。之前他们玩都是半夜，咱们这边半夜。
那怎么办？那我们现在要把这个游戏多分享一下呀。然后要不分享到
把这个事情再告诉
NFT 数量也减少了耶。
你
看到没有 ？NFT 刚才是73个，现在只剩68个了。估计刚才在玩的过程中又掉了几个 NFT 出来了。
OK， 掉了几个 NFT 出来是什么意思啊？
就是它 NFT 好像在游戏过程中也是可以获得的，但是比较难，然后好像可以买是吧，徐盼
？NFT 可以交易，也是看什么样的 NFT。有2种，一种是提前燃烧池子，一种是之前在玩游戏获得的。
OK， I think there are new players. I will send them the link. 我看到
It's
我们
like
评
we
论
are
区，
close. We're so close to 100. So everyone, let's get going. Let's get in here and let's
Two wood.
have fun.
OK，就是我看到评论区有说怎么玩这个游戏，然后我现在把这个游戏链接发给你，就是我在 comment 区里边已经发给你了，然后你只要点进去，然后连接钱包就可以
Jam
玩了。
baby.
我们现在的话是在做活动，就是我们现在还在直播的这个期间，然后因为其实我们本来是只有30分钟的这个瓜分10亿个物代币的这个福利，但是呢，因为现在前面这个游戏这个出了点小问题，所以为大家延长一些时间，也就是为了这些这个福利，就是直到等这个10亿的瓜分完，然后我们这个游戏就结束，可能会提前结束，也可能会稍微延迟一些，这个取决于在线玩的人数。然后大家可以去，就我刚才把链接发到这个 comment 区了，然后大家可以点这个链接去玩。那我的问题是，徐潘啊，就是如果是这样子的话，100多个人在线，100多人在线得玩多久才会把这10亿瓜分完呢？
这是不知道的呀，就是看他玩游戏水平高不高，看玩游戏那几个人的这个装备怎么样，对吧？有没有氪金，有没有 NFT？
You're too wood. Keep flapping.
这是巨大的福利啊！这都是钱啊！每个都是钱，对呀，这时间长挺好的呀，很好。
应该还是很快的玩，它现在只有6亿多了，是不是？
对，我这个目标完，
Very wood.
它这个速度其实很快的。
Okay. Alice is there's a comment from the audience. They say it's hard to get it open still. It's
Very
loading.
wood.
Oh, so they're stuck on the loading screen right now?
其实不用变这个时间。
OK，我看到这个用户也在问，就一定要玩够30分钟才有空投吗？不是的，就是说你在这30分钟内玩，然后是空投福利最大的，因为这中间的话就是给大家增加了很多的这个福利，一共有10亿个代币，然后就是你可以就是你达到一定的分数就可以去瓜分，所以就是你现在玩的话是属于效率最高的时候。是吧？就是
之前是30分钟限时，现在不限时了，是这个意思吧？我理解，你问一下那个 Alex。
对，前面是的话30分钟，那个就是对之前的话，前面的话是限时30分钟，但是因为今天的话是有点小问题，所以我刚才就跟他们团队沟通了一下，是不是可以稍微对这个规则稍微灵活一点。那他们是说可以改为就是说直到这个瓜分完然后就结束。就如果说再这样继续玩下去，大家熟练以后可能很快5分钟以后就结束了，也可能就是大家在熟悉的过程需要长一点的时间，可能需要稍微久一点的时间才能结束。但是在这个就是你获得这个项目空投的一个绝佳的很好的机会，就是有很多 buff 的一个机会。那这个游戏是不是在上线之前就除了现在能玩，那我们这个结束了以后它是还能玩，但是它的空投加成没那么多吗？还是怎么回事？
这个原来是就是你那个空投包一直有的话就一直有空投，然后玩的话是任何时候都能玩，连不连钱包都可以。
那平常玩有空投吗？
空投那个是一个相当于一个钱包一个地址嘛，就是有一个池子，那池子有人向里面充那个币的话也是会有空投的。如果那个池子空的时候就没有了。之前也有一些用户会捐
现在只有5亿2千万了，应该很快就没了。
只剩2000万了吗
？5亿2千万，5亿2千万。
OK， 那我们其实刚才在这个游戏一直 loading 的过程中，在这样的艰苦条件下，我们的一半多的这个 token 已经被瓜分完了。所以其实如果我们继续游戏的话，也是很快会瓜分完了。如果大家刚刚看到这个游戏的话，希望赶紧点这个上面的链接，然后也可以邀请你的朋友一起来玩。然后这个池子分完以后，就你平常玩的话就没有空投了。然后所以这个是一个非常绝佳的机会。然后有很多，现在它这个是 2.0 版本，然后之前的 1.0 版本是没有这么多 buff 的。
我能问2个问题吗？
OK，
就第一个就是就咱们这个项目后面就是和其他项目就是它的一些商业的合作之类的，这方面就像后面的计划。 第二个的话就是你看
那
我头像，
一个来。So Alice, Xupan got some questions for you, which is, do you have some plans for the cooperation with other project, for this, for WUD project?
Yes, we do. We have some upcoming partnerships that are going to be very exciting. Can't say too much just yet, but we have had quite a few people reach out, and we'll confirm some things in the coming, I would say, weeks, not even, months. But stay up to date, follow the socials, and you'll be in for a very exciting, winter. Very exciting times ahead.
OK，就是说还是有很多合作的，然后也不会说几个月以后，可能在很快的这几个星期就会发生，然后冬天会有很多很好的事情，就是大概会很快发生吧。就是有回答到你的问题吗？
对，因为我特别关心这个项目这些，因为对，因为波卡整体比较极客嘛，它这个给这个波卡生态带来很多一些趣味性，还有一些其他的可能性，就是但项目要不断的发展，可能商业化可能也比较重要。其实我问的其实这个。
OK。
So as you can see in the top right corner, oops, I died again. It's hard to play and, talk at the same time. But yes, we're at 125 players right now. So I think we are at like a 32x. It's going down really fast. There's only 300 million wood left in the pot. So let's see how fast this goes. It's not going to take very much longer, but less than 300 million now. So get in here.
就是现在70%的空投代币已经分发出去了，只剩下30%了。所以其实，虽然我们把这个时间说是可以这个瓜分完再结束，但也是其实时间是非常非常快的。OK，就是to respond to your questions, Alex, Xupan told me that in Polkadot ecosystem, people are very development or tech focus. WUD is really breaks the limit, gives people more more potential for something beyond. So it's very important that WUD can commercialize it, So is there some plan for the commercialization of the WUD?
Yep, we do have actually more games, like some more ideas in store for bringing WUD and Polkadot to even more people. Like right now, we developed this game to help onboard even just people that are not familiar with crypto at all. This event here, this flappening event, this campaign, it's really designed for you to share it with your friends and your family, and get them on board, show them how to get a Polkadot wallet and how they can connect and have some fun. WUD is all about really bridging people to the Polkadot ecosystem from outside of crypto, but soon from other networks as well.
Especially I think it's important also to notice that the game generates a lot of on-chain activity on especially on the hydration parachain, the hydration rollup, because whenever you can create a new account, and if you play during the flappening, you get the tokens, you get actually the existential deposit, which means that because on the Polkadot ecosystem, you always need, depending on which chain you are, they might have different requirements for the minimum balance and the type of token that you need to have an account live and active. And it's important to notice, I think, that actually the WUD token is a token that can send an account live on hydration with, I think, is 20,000 WUD. So if you are playing as a new player and you have 0 balance, it will automatically send with the first play. It will automatically send this. So the game is actually good because it's a good onboarding instrument for the Polkadot ecosystem. Because even like the pot for the airdrop, you can send funds there. Even if it's empty, you can send it. Let's say that you have maybe a couple of friends and you want to onboard them. You can send a little bit of wood in this pot, and then they start to play and they get the airdrop when they play, right? I think it's a nice and interesting way of, like a kind of community-funded drop event where people can have a little bit of fun. I think I like it. I liked it a lot, this idea. And we have seen, I've been checking a little bit the metrics in the past couple of months, and it's clear that a lot of accounts were sent live because of this Flappy Wood game. So it's good to see. It's good to see. It's like it's a nice and fun way of onboarding new people, young people. Or, for example, I had my cousin that we were having dinner and basically I essentially told him, look, like you can play this little game, and you onboard the people to the wallet, because of course it's better to play from a mobile wallet in my experience. So they have to download an ecosystem wallet, and they have to play and send an account live. So it's it's a good way of familiarizing with the ecosystem tools, and I think it's really great.
简单
As
总
you
结
can
一
see
下。
here, real quick, there is, this one, so far this one event has had 3,660 total airdrops already. And look at these top players here competing. It's pretty awesome to see. We got swap your dot to wood in first place. It's really funny. Nice messages there. And you can see all of the recent airdrops happening in real time right here as well. So, hey, if your name is Anon, consider using a nickname. It's more fun. And then you can get on the leaderboard. It's exciting. Yes, change your nicknames.
OK, Alex 给大家这个看了一下最新的数据啊，然后这个看了一下排名啊之类的。其实大家可以看到，第一名已经有将近6000分了，然后他们的这个昵称也是很有意思啊，所以 Alex 也说非常欢迎大家起就是随便去给自己起比较有意思的昵称。徐帆，所以他刚才2个人讲的一些东西，你就大概总结一下，就是他们还是游戏方向吧，就是希望可以做很多游戏。
OK。
就是也希望就是不仅是针对于 Web3 用户，也可以针对于其他的这些不懂区块链的用户，让他们来玩。然后这个 Philip 也提到了，就说希望这个就可以是一款就是大家就是和家人一起分享的一款游戏。所以你另外一个问题是什么？
另外一个问题是，就是刚开始我接触WUD还是因为破卡世界，就是基本上发那个特别可爱的小图片。
Oh, you almost died. I like these messages that when you are near miss or you almost died when you're very close to the log. I think it's kind of addictive. Okay. Also, I think it's I wanted to add what I also liked is like the personification of people in the ecosystem. Like you have Gavin that has like voice of Gavin. Then you have the Kus Boost, which is basically Jay, the Kusamarian, and he has his voice. I like this because it's like, people that are in the ecosystem. I mean, of course, they can understand. Maybe people that are not, they won't. But I think for the people that are in the community, it's something unique, something good.
这个 Philip 特别指出，就这 WUD 代币比较有 Polkadot 特色的2点啊，其中一点就是它的名字是来源于 Gavin Wood， 然后其实它的拼写肯定不是这样子的，它中间 Gavin Wood 的实际的拼写其实是中间是2个 O， 但是它利用了谐音，但是同样会 具有这个 WUD 的发音，这样子的话就会让大家比较容易这个就是有比较就是有波卡的特色吧。然后他还提到了另外一个，然后大家感兴趣的话，可以在游戏中感受比较深刻的，这个是 Philip 提出的一点。好，你可以继续讲一下你的问题。徐潘 still got a question for you, Alice 。
就是我之前就是波卡世界发，就是类似我这个头像，看到我这样
Okay. You can, Alice, could you see the, the picture on his screen? This is okay.
Yep. I know which picture.
好的，徐潘。
对，就是以 GameWood 为原型的这种风格的头像。当时我感觉这种头像就很吸引人，就是很出圈，就是它不是晦涩，对吧？然后我就了解到这个项目，所以我从当时还有到现在，对这个项目的所有东西都比较了解。然后我想问，就是看这个头像为图片的这个 NFT， 看就是什么时候可能会上？有没有这方面计划？
Okay.
我想买。
Okay. Xu Pan first attracted by WUD from a Polkadot X handle, because Polkadot tweeted something about WUD, and the first thing that caught his eye is the picture, he showed to you on the screen, and he saw it's very interesting and it's very attractive. Not only in the Web3 cycle, it's very attractive for the normal people. So he is wondering that if there possible the NFT of this picture can released in something.
Yep, for sure. We have a lot of ideas for NFTs. We want to do like a lot of different styles for this one. I think the first one, that we did, we went for like a card style, but it's really whatever the community wants, and there's really like endless possibilities of what WUD can do. There's just so much really fun artwork that exists already, and that WUD can be in the future. The meme is infinite, and I think we're just seeing the beginning. Yep.
Okay. 徐潘他意思就
sorry.
徐潘他意思就是说如果有需求，其实他们可以是做的，然后就是还是看需求吧。然后其实我们之前他们跟我们聊的话，其实也是可以跟 Polkadot 合作做一个 NFT 啊之类的。我觉得你要是想有这个图片的 NFT 的话，其实是可以跟他们合作，然后出一款这种 NFT。
我这边没问题啊。
Okay. So Philip, do you have something to add?
Yeah, I think as you can see, these pop-up messages, the Flatpaying 2.0 extended, I think it's a really genius idea. I think because whenever you play these games, most of the times you don't have the feeling that someone else is playing, and especially you don't have this community, to say feeling that you're being part and playing with other people. The fact that you can, the developer, for example, or whoever is running the event can send push notification to every player. I think it's really nice. I think also these gold NFTs that have this special power of setting your own push notification. You can, I think it's a nice way of communicating to the other player you're playing, but it's also a nice way as a marketing kind of thing. I mean, if you think that maybe a game like this might have in the future 10,000 players or even 1,000 players, you can easily do marketing with this push notification. So you have these NFTs that are also bound to the meme, but also you have power in the game. You can do something. You can set a push notification, or you get maybe a boost of something. Or the Diamond NFT can modify even a parameter in the game for a power up for all the other players, right? It's or how the power up also is rendered in the game. I think it's a really clever thing to do actually, and I was really impressed to see this. I mean, this game, I mean, it's simple. You can play for every device. It means that anybody can play. At the same time, it's fun, and it's kind of designed in a way that it's all around this ownership community, kind of like building up this cult around the meme. I love it.
OK，刚才 Alex 简单的提到了几点啊，我大概讲一下。就首先你在玩游戏的时候是可以，它是很被这个设计给吸引的，就是可以看到其他的玩家，就让你感觉就是大家在一起玩游戏。然后另外的话，它这些就是你玩的时候可以分享给朋友，这个也是非常方便的，非常有利于你的分享。还有它的 NFT 啊等等都是非常有利于 marketing 的，大概是这几点啊。然后大家如果感兴趣的话，最好是去体验一下这个游戏。Okay, so the airdrops, are all shared, so it's finished. For
Yep. So yes, everything. Thank you for your patience, everyone. Thank you for helping us test it out. And yeah, the pot is completely empty. These events, they don't last too long. They only go for like 20 minutes usually. For today, we planned for 30 minutes, but as you can see, we had to go a little bit over time. But yeah, it really depends on how many people we bring. If you don't bring enough people, you may not get all the wood. So once the time is up, that's it. The pot just goes away and the event ends. So you really want to bring as many people as possible so you can finish the whole thing. Yep.
Okay, cool. 所以我们的游戏今天就结束了。虽然我们延长了时间，但是在不到20分钟的时间所有的空投都已经瓜分完毕了。所以其实正常来说，我们10亿的空投的话，基本上在20分钟就会分完了。但是今天确实的中间有一点点小故障，那也是在我们延长了游戏时间以后，也是很快的就瓜分完了。那也非常感谢这个今天所有来参加游戏的小伙伴我们这个如果你们对这个游戏比较感兴趣的话，其实可以在我们的 comment 区留言，也可以在这个 这个 AI Web3 这个 comment 区留言。如果大家都比较喜欢的话，其实我们可以邀请这个WUD团队再做一期的福利，也可以设置一些 NFT 等更多的福利，然后发给大家。OK， 那我觉得我们今天的游戏就暂时到此为止了。Okay, so I think we can call it an end, call it a night for today. Okay.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much.
You.
Yeah, thank you so much to the WUD team for bringing this awesome rewards to our Chinese audience, and congratulations to everyone who joined in today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we hope you continue. Yeah, we hope that all the audience can continue following Polkadot and AI Web3, as we will be bringing even more rewards from WUD. And be sure to follow our guests today to stay updated. There are more airdrops coming in the future. That's all from us today. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.
Thank
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
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 拜拜 JK 啊。
拜拜，谢谢。
拜拜
OK